Happy New Year, everyone! I am so happy you guys are joining me here today to start off your 2022 on a clean, fresh note. If you guys are new here, my name is Ava from Glow with Ava, and I'm here to make sure you will have your best skin to date. So today, because this new year, I'm going to be talking about how to give your skin a complete refresh and reset to make sure your skin will be off to a good start this year, because we all want that clear glass Jello skin. The holiday season is wonderful, but it's also a time when we get out of our regular routines. We don't eat as healthy as we wanted to, and we're not working out. So with all of these lifestyle changes, that also tends to reflect on our skin, which is why people always say, you know, on January 1st, I'm going to start working out, I'm going to start doing a detox. But just the same way that we want to give our body a detox, we should do that for our skin too. So today I'm going to be walking you guys step by step by skin type on how we can exactly achieve this sort of skincare detox. And not just about the holidays, but over the course of last year, we've been continuously testing so many different products. There were skincare launches after launches, serums, moisturizers, and some definitely did work, but some didn't, and some may even have agitated our skin even more and weakening our skin barrier. So if you feel like you have stressed, dry, dehydrated, congested skin at all, or even breaking out, please come and join me to do the skin reset for 7 days. Your skin needs a break. It needs time to hydrate and heal and feed only the ingredients that it needs without overwhelming it. And this concept was also very popular in Korea. It was called the skincare diet or skincare fasting. My friend Leah from Crave Beauty also has her whole brand content around the concept of press reset on your current routine, not just your skin, but kind of like your lifestyle habits as well. So during the next 7 days while you join me in this challenge to reset your skin, I also want you to kind of reset some of your lifestyle choices and also eat healthy. Make sure you're taking your probiotic supplements and just feeding your gut and skin all the good ingredients. What you're going to be doing for the next 7 days is actually really easy. It only requires 3 steps, both morning and nighttime, and it's going to go through 3 steps in the morning, which is to tone, moisturize, and SPF. In nighttime, we're also going to be going through 3 steps, which is to cleanse, tone, and moisturize. So I'm going to be showing you guys my routine for more of a dry, sensitive routine, but I'm also going to be giving you guys product recommendations for oily and acne-prone skin. And during the next 7 days, while we focus on the core 4 products, I also want you guys to stay away from some of the more supplemental products such as your acids, exfoliants, serums, sheet mask, regular mask, all of that stuff. And maybe rely on spot treatments if you do have pimples, but even that I would use sparingly and just kind of really focus on hydrating and healing your skin. And during this time, if you can, I would stay away from heavy makeup because makeup can tend to clog pores. So if you want a little bit more coverage, I would say maybe go for a tinted SPF. So here are some of the tinted SPF recommendations that I have for you guys that's also gentle and kind to your skin. So now that we have our basic ground rules set, let's talk about our 7-day skin regimen. So in the morning, this is for my dry, sensitive skin, I'm actually going to skip cleansing. You know, cleansing is actually one of the steps that can actually weaken your skin barrier the most, and I've seen such a big difference when I skip cleansing in the morning because my skin is already clean from the night before. So you just want to go straight in with just like a water cleanse in the morning, and then we're going to go tone our face. So toner for dry, sensitive skin, I also want something that is high in ceramides and hyaluronic acid to really, you know, deeply hydrate my skin at the same time, but also absorb. So after going in with about 2 layers of this Matacera toner, then I'm going to go in with a moisturizer. This moisturizer is a new peptide moisturizer from Ole Henriksen that I've been trying. And actually, this is the moisturizer I did for my 5-day skin reset over the holidays. So over the holidays, I really wasn't using that much skincare, but only focusing on kind of hydrating my skin. Partly out of laziness, but partly also because I just felt like my skin was just too overwhelmed. So after going in with a very thick layer of this, you can go in with like 2 to 3 layers of this moisturizer depending on how dry your skin is. Then you want to go in with another hydrating SPF. This is a new launch from Burrito that I have been loving. It's super nice, no greasiness, no white cast either. So go in with that, and then I will try to not wear any makeup after that. So then at nighttime, assuming that you've only been wearing SPF during the day, then you can just go in with a gentle cleanser. Double cleanse if you have to. After you cleanse, now we're just gonna go tone our face. Same thing again, you can use the same toner and moisturizer used in the morning to keep it simple. Sometimes overwhelming your skin with too many ingredients can actually weaken your skin barrier as well. So keep it simple, go in with the same toner and moisturizer. At nighttime, I typically go on with another layer of moisturizer just because I want the hydration to really last me throughout the night. Okay, so that's all I do for about 5 to 7 days. Minimum 3 days depending on your schedule, but try to do it for 7 days or longer if you can. And during this time, you're really going to see a lot of good changes to your skin, especially if you have more breakouts too. After the 7 days, you can start adding in some of the more supplemental skincare such as serums, eye creams, spot treatments, a sheet mask. But when you do, I would say just add them one at a time. Be very slow and intentional with what kind of skincare you are adding back to your routine. It's kind of like when you did like a extreme juice cleanse, you know, the next day you don't want to add in another like French fries because that's going to irritate your stomach even more just because it's gone through an immense like cleanse in your system. You want to add something slowly back, such as like a soup, right? So I would say don't add a heavy acid back right after, but slowly make sure you're building up that tolerance for your skin. And as promised, here is a routine that is for acne prone and sensitive skin. Same 3-step routine. You can also use some of the products recommended for my dry skin, but this is more curated for acne prone skin. And then now we also have a curated routine for my oily skin, combination skin friends too. And also I just want to say, if you have an existing cleanser, toner, or moisturizer that you love, keep continuing to use that. During the 7-day reset program, if you feel like your skin is reacting even more or getting even redder, then maybe try switching out a product for something that is more gentler. But just keep going. You need to do it for at least 3 days to see somewhat of a difference. And that's it. So try this out. Please let me know on Instagram, TikTok, or here in the comment section how your experience went. And you know, you don't have to do this right now. You can do it maybe like halfway through the year, whenever you feel like you need a little bit of a detox for your body. Do the same for your skin as well. And I hope you guys really find some benefits with this reset program. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in, and I'm so excited to start this 2022 Jello skin journey with you guys. Thank you for being here, and make sure to subscribe to my channel here and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Glow with Ava for more glass Jello skin tips.